restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the...
Welcome guys. I'm sorry I'm late. Oh, give me a second guys. I don't know what's going on with my camera here. No, I just couldn't get up today from the bed. It was just crazy. And NFP is in 10 minutes. Just give me a second guys, I just need to fix my my camera real quick. There we go. Can you guys see me? How you guys doing this morning? So I'm just gonna be taking a look at gold this morning. That's all I'm gonna be taking a look at. And I don't know what's going on with my voice again. How you guys doing this morning? Good morning, Mr. Grand Time. And I woke up really late, man. Crazy part is I woke up at 6 when I set my alarm when I went back to sleep. I know, I guess I wasn't feeling too good. You can hear it in my voice too. I hope everyone had a good morning, great night. Well, I'm good, Vinit. I'm good. So, like I said in the beginning of the stream, I'm only going to be taking a look at gold. And if we look over here, um, today is Friday. Let me look at Forex Factory. Yeah, we have NFP coming up in the next 8 minutes. So we're gonna be taking impulse entry here. I would love to see gold shooting up. Either way, if it shoots up or it sells, we get it in. It's like I'm getting ready. It's gonna have to be impulse entries. Like I'm really getting ready here. Impulse entries. We're not gonna wait until price breaks resistance or breaks support. Impulse entries, because this is a major news event. I'll just get all these tools ready here. I'm already on the 15-minute time frame, so seven more minutes. 7 more minutes. Can you guys hear me? I know my voice is kind of messed up, but can you guys hear me? Good morning, David. Good morning. I hope my music is not too loud. The devil is a liar. The devil didn't wanna me to trade NFP today. Like I've been waking up early the whole week this week, and then today I woke up and I went back to sleep. I didn't trade gold all week, but I'm trading you today. Okay, perfect. Thanks, Mr. Grind Time. So, I'm guessing, and I really think if gold should shoot up past this resistance, you can see rejected it twice here, or should below support, actually, I really anticipating that if it shoots up above resistance, we should see gold keep going up because if you look here, if we go to the 1 hour time frame, for example, we still we're still in an uptrend here. If I pull out my trend line tool, so we're still in an uptrend. So if gold shoots up, we could see gold getting to this zone or even this zone. So, and if that happens, especially if it reaches this second zone here, man, that's gonna be crazy big. Even if we don't get in until here, first one here we're looking at 60 pips. Here we're looking at 200 pips. 200. But we'll see what happens. I'm just looking to get 20 pips. I get 20 pips, I'm gonna move my stop loss to entry, and as long as it keeps going up, then I'm just gonna keep trailing my stop loss behind it, behind price. So we'll see what happens. I won't go. Just I need to see that bullish candle. 2 more minutes. Get ready. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. My hand is already on the buy and sell button. I'm like, bang, 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 let's go, let's go. I'm ready to click the buy or sell button. 2 more minutes. Good morning, Zaman. Man, and when this thing starts, it's just gonna shoot up dramatically. It's crazy. Oh, 1 more minute. Get ready. Impulse entries. That's what we're doing here. We gotta wait. We gotta wait. It's 7:30, but we still gotta wait. Are you shooting up or you coming down? Okay. I wish it was so close to this resistance here. Then we would be sure, know for sure. But the overall trend is still an uptrend. The news just happened, so we gotta wait and see what gold is trying to do. Okay, I didn't quite get the candle that I was looking for. Come on, man. Oh wow, it's already 7:32. So, okay. Oh, man, I didn't mean to do that. Oh man. All right. So since we didn't get the candles we're looking for, now we just gotta wait until price either breaks resistance here or price breaks support to get in a buy or sell position. So that's all we gotta do here. Now we gotta wait. What happened here? The employment, the unemployment, the employment change is actually good. It was actually higher than what they forecasted. So we might see gold breaking above this resistance here, and then we'll be looking to take a buy position. Let's see what happening here with GBP USD. Yeah. Um, the NFP didn't really have any effect on the market today. It didn't have anything on the market today. But we can see GBP USD breaking the previous low here on the 15-minute time frame. You see, broke it, and this was about this was for about 35 pips here already. During this happened during London session. And then this is another TP potential TP target here at 1.323 for another potential 30 pips. What's going on with the rest of the pairs? Man, even JPY freaking dropped. Uh, GBP JPY broke with previous support as well. All right, let's go back to gold here. Okay, I hope gold is not just gonna keep ranging here. Man, I would have caught all these 285. This 285 woke up early. Oh no, maybe not. This was at 6 o'clock. Yeah, this was at 6 o'clock. Well, just gotta wait here. Yeah, looking here at GBP JPY price could reject this support zone here, because we can see that price rejected this support zone here earlier, previously, or it could just break through it. If it breaks through it, be looking to take a sell on GBP JPY, and if it rejects, you can buy, and it will turn to a demand zone here. Man, it was JPY. This thing is really dropping, man. Okay, let me look for more zones here. Need more zones. So price is actually at this support here, previous support, all the way here to the left here. So if price breaks that, then we should see price potentially get into this next support zone here. How many people range is this? 57 pips. Man, looks like it's just gonna break through it. I'm gonna switch my my chart here. Oh, London streaming suits you better. I mean, I'll be starting it soon. I just need to, fully recover before I start. So we're gonna see if your JPY is gonna break this support here. If it breaks it, then we'll be looking for sales. What's gold doing? Okay, gold is still freaking ranging here. Well, okay. NFP didn't. NFP news really didn't do nothing. Do me a favor, guys. As you guys are hopping on, keep smashing that like button, guys. Keep smashing that like button. The more likes I get, the more YouTube promotes this video. the more YouTube is gonna keep pushing this video. Man, you would, JPY is freaking strong as hell. Yeah, so it's too late to get in now. You just gotta wait to see if price is gonna break this support zone here to get in a trade for GBP JPY. If you're looking to get in GBP JPY, so I just need to look for at least one more zone, but I gotta go back in time to be able to find it. Actually, yeah, price already booked that zone there. Actually, I'm gonna put this right here. This 4-hour candle closes in the next 8 minutes. That's 22 pips. Let's see, what do we have here to the left? All right. So if price breaks this zone here, we should see price getting to 152, 171. So we'll see what happens here. We just gotta wait here. Good morning, Chris. Good morning, Dorothy. Good morning. Oh, Schumann. Good morning. Good morning, Jason. Happy Friday. Yeah, Vinit, Euro is too damn weak. GBP is weak. Can see it right here. It just keeps dropping, but looking at GBP JPY, we had a support zone here that became a demand. But the fact that it broke 152.88. I feel like it's gonna break 152.66 as well. So, but we just gotta wait and see here. If it does that, then we'll be looking to take sales. Man, I just talked about this GBP USD, and I just freaking missed this entry. Damn. I just talked about this GBP USD. I was trying to get in here and catch me at least 20 pips. Yeah, 30 pips smashed. Oh man. Well, it is what it is. Man, this happened right at 7:30, after 7:30, man. Well, I still got room here. Let's see if it's gonna break this zone here. If it does, then we're gonna see GBP USD continue to drop. The dollar is strong against GBP. The dollar is strong. Let's see the dollar here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Look at the dollar, strong as hell, bullish as hell, bullish. Yeah, that's why we see GBP dropping. The dollar is strong like this. Gold should be dropping, but nothing is going on with gold now. Usually, when the dollar is strong, the gold drops, and when the dollar is weak, uh, gold buys. So, but this war between Russia and Ukraine has just been making gold to be in an uptrend. If you go to the higher time frame, you see we've been in an uptrend for a long time here. We've been in an uptrend for a long time here. Got uptrend here. Been in an uptrend here. Uptrend here. Yeah, we've been in an uptrend a long time. Looking at the higher time frame here. So I believe gold is actually gonna break resistance and just continue its bullish momentum. But like I said, just gotta wait for price to break 1951 to take buys. So it's actually just a waiting game here. That's all we gotta do. Well, let me go back to GBP USD here, because I need to see if she's actually gonna break this previous support here to the all the way to the left here, right here. Because if it does, you should see price heading back to this zone here. So, and it's a strong support zone, very strong support zone. rejection, 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 weak rejection, rejection. Very strong support zone. Looks like it's gonna close below it. I don't know. I'm actually gonna wait to see if he breaks this strong support zone here. I'm gonna wait for price to break that. And if it does not, then I'm not trading GBP USD today. Yeah, I feel like this zone here is gonna be another demand zone here on the right hand side. But we'll see. Let's see what happens here. GBP USD 15-minute candle closes at 8 minutes. GBP JPY is also trying to break this previous support. Let's see what happens. Euro JPY doing the same thing. So all we see here is just sales for all these pairs, except for gold. Nice. You see, it's trying to break this support zone here that I talked about, guys. If it does that, I'm taking a sell. Be confident to take a sell. Yeah, so that's all we got to do now. Waiting game. Let's see what happens. So this bearish candle opened without a wick at the top. So if this candle closes somewhere here, and if the next candle opens with a wick at the top, I'm taking a sell. I'm taking a freaking sell. Taking a freaking sell. If it opens with a wick, if the next bearish candle opens with a wick at the top, I'm taking a sell. Oh, Ace Black Star. Let me take a look at the comments. That's DeAndre. Okay, Schumann, you're off. That's good. That's good, Schumann. Who else do we have here? Oh, King Zoe is in the building too. Oh, okay. Let's walk. Let's get it. Let's get his bread. I'm on the 15th, Schumann. guys see how this bearish candle has no wick at the top here? I don't like that at all. This candle closes in 4 minutes. So we'll see what happens here. GBP, JPY. Trying to take a sell. Oh, really? You guys are watching on the big screen? All right, that's cool. Yeah, I believe you took a sell on JPY. Yeah, so GBP JPY might reject this zone. It might reject this zone, this 152.66 zone here. Yeah, the same thing it did previously, and this was on this was actually this week on 1st of March. So, but we'll see if it's gonna break through. If it's gonna break through it, if it does, man, like I said, I'm taking me a sell. So on the 30-minute candle, 30-minute time frame, this current 30-minute candle actually opened with a wick, but here on the 15 did not. Let's check out the 5. Okay, the 5 gave a fake breakout, and it didn't have a wick either. Let's see if you guys can actually see it. Yeah, it didn't have a wick either at the top on the 5. The same thing with the 15. So we just gotta wait here. And it didn't break it. So what you if we're talking a lot if we're talking about breakouts of zones. Now if the body does not close below your zone, that's not a breakout. Just like we have this previous most recent 15-minute candle here. You can see the body didn't close below the zone, but the wick closed below the zone. So this is not a breakout. Look, you can see now this bullish candle opened with a wick. We have a wick here. Now the fact that I see this bullish candle open with a wick, it can still flip bearish. Now guess what? If it flips bearish, what do you think is going to happen? It's a sell. That's a sell continuation if it flips bearish. On the 5, previous 5 bullish candle didn't open with a wick either. But this most recent 5-minute candle opened with a wick. So we'll see what happens. If it flips bearish, flip bearish. If it does, I'm taking me to sell. So that I'm gonna wait until it breaks this zone though before I take the sell. Keep smashing that like button for me, guys. Oh, Shuman, this is GBP JPY. I'm looking at GBP JPY. I'm on a 15-minute time frame. I thought I responded to you. Oh, let's see here. So this week so far, we've had 5 wins, 1 loss, 0 break-even trades. Currently, we are 335 pips. Because the week started, this week. I mean, the month started this week, and currently win rate is at 83%. So let's keep the momentum going, guys. Let's just keep the momentum going for the entire month. That's the goal here. So we have it. Just waiting here. We're just waiting, waiting. Oh, that's good. That's good, Shipman. You did well with good last night. As you guys are hopping on, keep smashing that like button for me, guys. No, actually, for the trade so far this month, I need to change this. It's 4 wins because we've only taken 5 trades. Yeah, it's actually 4 wins. Yeah, 4 wins, 1 loss, 0 break-even, 335 pips. Yeah, 80% win rate. So if we look at the 30-minute time frame here, like I said earlier, the same thing that happened here on the left is currently going on here right now. Does that mean we're gonna see a bullish momentum? No, I wouldn't say that. because JPY is actually strong. So I'm just gonna avoid getting in a buy. I'm just gonna wait for a breakout. GBP USD did the same thing, rejected the previous support to the left, but we could still see a breakout as well. Break and close below previous support. CAD JPY. Man, got JPY. Okay, nice. Broke support. Let me see the higher time frame here. How many peak range do we have here? Yeah, the reason why CAD JPY is still going is because it has not gotten to the previous support turn demand right here to the left, which is at 90.00. I should have looked at it when Kimberly said something. How many pips is this? CAD JPY is coming down. I'm taking a sell, guys. I'm selling CAD JPY. Let me see here. I'll let you guys know when I take a sell. No, it's not enough pip range for me. This is just 14 pips. No, I'm not taking it. I'm not taking the sell, guys. Changed my mind. I just had to look at some stuff, some price action to the left. I'm not taking a sell. I'd rather take GBP JPY or GBP USD. One of the two, or gold. Yeah, so gold, I actually still believe gold is gonna break this previous resistance. I actually believe that's what's gonna happen. But really, without the war between Russia and Ukraine, gold should be dropping right now because the dollar is just freaking strong. So gold should be dropping, but and that's the main reason why I'm really waiting to see if price is gonna break this resistance because the dollar is just really strong. So price could just gold could get back to 1950.73, reject again. So we just gotta wait here. Yeah, that's fine. Christine, because you already got in. You got in early. What time? When did you get in? You got in at least at around 7, right? Yeah. If I get in now, I'm getting late. I'm getting in late. I'm trying to get me at least 20 pips. When I did the price action real quick, it was like 14, 15 pip range before price reject again. So it's not enough pip range for me. Let me go back to JPY. And then plus looking at what the other JPY pairs is doing. Looking at what the other JPY pairs is doing, like Euro JPY, GBP JPY, CAD JPY might flip bullish as well because look at this 15-minute candle. Let me draw this. Look at this 15-minute candle here. Now it opened without a wick at the top, and then we had a weak rejection here. So I'm not confident in getting in a sell. Plus the other JPY pairs is not, they all rejecting right now at the moment, even though we had previously a support on demand here, which price should get back to this zone, but we kind of have a resistance here at the top looking at the 30-minute time frame here. So that's why I have these dot lines here, and I looked at the pip range. Even if I get in here, that's only about 15 pips. It's not enough for me. I need at least 20. That's why I didn't get in JPY. Now if it should closes below 90.013, then yeah, that's better for me. I'll be looking to take sales. So I'm gonna just focus on GBP JPY or GBP USD or gold. I just need one of them or two to give me my trade setup, and I'm getting in. Yeah, you're good. But make sure you remember to take partial profits and move your stops to entry, like we did last night. Keep smashing that like button for me, guys, so YouTube algorithm can push this video. Yo, DeAndre, King Zo, how's John doing? Is he there with you guys too? He was, man, yesterday's morning, yesterday's live stream on Euro JPY was just amazing. That trade ended up being a 125 pip trade. Even though we only wanted 20 pips, we got our 20 pips, move stops to entry, and we just left a runner. And then it actually got to our final TP. It was just beautiful. That's how I like to trade. Get my 20 pips, move stops to break even, take my freaking partial profit, and just leave a runner. I leave a runner. I ain't got nothing else to worry about. I took partial profits already, move my stops. I have nothing to worry about. And as the trade keeps going in my direction, I just keep trailing my stop loss. But crazy thing is, yesterday I didn't even trail Euro JPY at all. I just moved my stops to entry and I forgot about it. I took partial profits, moved my stops to entry, and I just forgot about it. Keep smashing that like button, guys. Waiting for you, GBP JPY here. So if we have a break below this newly support that was created here, um, we're just gonna have 20 pips here, body. Final target is just gonna be for 43 pips. Um, Let me see if we can have if we have a. Oh, okay, we have another TP down here. Damn. If this was another day, my final TP would be down here. But I'm okay with this. 40 pips. If we have TP here, 80 pips. Actually, I'm gonna leave it down here. Come on, come on. Break, break, break. Break that support, GBP. Come on, don't flip bullish. Do not flip bullish. Don't do it. Don't do it. Keep smashing that like button for me, guys. Come on, GBP, JPY. Let's go. I need closure below support. Come on. Let's take a look at gold here. Okay, gold is still tripping here. Come on, gold. You're still tripping. So the reason why, if you look here, I have my support right at this week here. The reason why I have this week here is because if price does not break above this week, and let's say you have your support, your resistance here, you could be faked out. So I'd rather have my resistance right here. I need price to be break above this week here. If it does that, then I'll take a buy position. So we don't see that happening here. And if you see here, that's that week right here on the 15. This is it right here. A bullish candle and a bearish candle. Rejection. The bearish candle was the rejection candle. Became a supply. Became a supply right here. Man, this is life of a trader, man. Especially if you're a scalper, this is what you gotta do. Life of a trader. But I love it, man. I love trading. I love trading. The good days, bad days, break even days, I still love it. Passionate about it. When you guys watch all these live streams, don't just watch. Take notes as well. Because you should also be learning, not just, here looking at the screen and, waiting for the, trader to, give you the signal to get in a position. You should be taking notes. Taking notes. Get you a trading journal on Amazon. Have a trading plan. Stick to one session, one trading session, whether it's Asian, New York, or London. I don't recommend Asian session, so, but to each his own. Everybody, have their preference, but I would say London or New York, stick to one session. When you stick to one session, if you made money doing London, that's it. Forget about trading New York session. Go about your day. Go do whatever you want to do. Wait until the next London session. So, are you welcome choosing God's will? Oh, I love your name. Let's go, GBP JPY. Don't start ranging on me. But I'm here though. I'm sure. I'm here. Wow, this was a good sell for pre New York. Nice sell pre New York. But even if I was up looking at the screen, looking at the chart, I wouldn't have. I would have got in this trade because of NFP because it was NFP day. I'm guessing it's the war. That's why there was no big move at all. No big move for NFP today. Okay, Christine says there are a lot of pairs. How do you decide when starting which pairs to focus on? You just have to try them out, Christine. You have to try them out. You have to trade those pairs, and when you start trading those pairs, the more you trade them, the better you get, and then you'll be able to decide on which pairs you really love to trade. But one thing that you should also do is also take notes and understand how those pairs are moving and why are they moving and what pairs actually move together most of the time. For me, I prefer JPY pairs, but not all JPY pairs. When it comes to JPY pairs, GBP JPY and Euro JPY, those are my two favorite JPY pairs to trade. Then followed by CAD JPY. And I love AUD JPY as well, but I'm not really a fan of AUD JPY. And when it comes to USD pairs, I prefer GBP USD. Actually, if you look at all these pairs that I just mentioned, they're volatile pairs. Come on, let it close, close, close. Close below. Come on, GBP JPY. Oh man, you're starting out and you're already trading US 30. Man, you don't want to mess with US 30 if you're trading live. If you're new, it's very, very volatile. I mean, if it goes your way, man, you can make good money depending on your lot size. And if it doesn't go your way, you could freaking blow your entire account if you're not careful. What people fail to realize is that you don't really have to trade you know indices to become a six figure trader or even a seven figure trader. Yeah, sure, if you trade indices, and you know what you're doing, you'll get there a lot quicker. But you can still trade Forex and become a six figure trader. Forex pairs, even seven figure trader. Now I trade indices, but I prefer NAS 100, and I don't trade it all the time. I only trade it, once in a while. I kind of like stay away from US 30. I prefer NAS 100. I mean, I've made money with US 30, but I've lost a lot of money trading US 30 than I've made. So I stayed away from it and just stuck with NAS 100. Okay. Only goes my way when it only goes your way when you request. Yeah, for me, I stay away from US 30. I prefer NAS 100. That's my baby right there when it comes to indices. You should look into NAS 100. NAS 100 is easier. Very like it actually respects supply and demand. NAS 100. Man, look at this 5 minute candle. It opened without a wick at the top. So let's see. Okay. Now, what's going on here? So we have this. If price breaks below this wick here, since we have a rejection right at this wick, that's a sell confirmation. If this bullish candle flips bearish and it has a wick at the top, I'm taking a sell. Taking a sell if that happens. So what I'm gonna do here, switch this down here. Oh shit. I just looked at my phone, looked at gold. Okay, about to break it. Let's see if it breaks it. Okay, so we'll come back to this at around 8:45 because this 15-minute candle just opened. So we'll see. We'll go back to GBP JPY here. So we'll take a look at gold again at around 8:40. Yeah, I like NAS 100 too. Choosing God's will, I like it. Come on, GJ. Yeah, EJ is just ranging here. Let's go. I'm gonna tell you guys when I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna tell you guys. Once I'm getting in, I'm gonna say, I'm in, guys. I'm in. That's what I'm gonna say. And then you guys can get in. Got news at 9. I'm in, boys. I'm in, guys. I got in. I got in a cell. I got in a cell, guys. I got in GBP JPY cell. My entry. So my 20 pips somewhere right here. And let's see what happens. I got in a sell. Come on, man. Don't flip bullish on me. What's gold doing? Okay, gold is going up.
Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life
Yeah, gold is shooting up. Yeah, it's shooting up.
work for, believe me. Take
Nice.
plan your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns. Overall taught
Damn. Okay, no anti. Looks like no anti for me on gold. Shit. This thing is shooting out. Shooting to the moon. Okay, no gold for me today. Can't trade gold. Yeah, by the time this 15-minute candle closes, my stop loss will be too big. But we'll see how we close this though. Damn, this thing is shooting out. Oh yeah, yeah. No, I'm not getting in. My stop loss will be way too big. Man, come on, GJ. Yeah, GBP broke below support, and we have this bullish candle here. It could still flip bearish, because we have like 5 minutes for this candle to close, or the next candle could be a bearish candle for us to have a sell continuation here. Come on, GJ, give me 20 pips so I can move my stock to break even. Let's go, let's go, let's go. If I don't trade gold, I'm good. Come on, GJ, let's go. As you guys are hopping on, keep smashing the like button, guys. Keep smashing it. Come on, go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 20 pips. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, DJ.
they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a
This candle closes in 3 minutes. Come on, GJ, let's go, let's go, let's get it. Let's go, GJ.
what do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. Could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. The other way, what I'm doing ain't easy.
Yes, come on, GJ, 20 peeps. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I get my 20 pips, I'm done trading for the day. I'm gonna move my stops to break even. And hopefully I don't get stopped. We don't get stopped out. If you guys, wanna do that as well, take pressure and just, move stops to entry. And we let the trade keep running. Or you can just take all your profit. Depends on you. Come on, GJ. Drop for me, baby. Come on, you can do it. And come on, GJ. This candle closes in 1 minute. Come on, GJ. Surprisingly, I've not traded GJ all this week. It's been Euro JPY and USD JPY. I traded USD JPY one time, and the rest of the week has been EJ, Euro JPY. This is the first time I'm taking a GJ trade this week. Come on, GJ. Give me 20 pips before 9 a.m. at least. How many of you guys took this GJ sell? How many of you guys took this GJ sell? Let me know in the charts. If you took the GJ sell, just type yes in the charts, guys. Just type yes, 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 yes. Let's go, GJ. Let's go. Drop for me, baby. Drop, drop, drop. Woo! Drop, drop, GJ. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's get it. Come on, GJ. Give me that 10 bands. Come on, GJ, give me that 20 pips, baby. Come on, GJ. You can do it. Almost. You almost there, baby. You almost there. You almost there. Come on, GJ. Give me that 20 pips. Come on, GJ. You're almost there, baby. You're almost there. You're almost there. Bam, 20 pips. Bam. More stops to break even. More stops to break even. Now let's see if price is gonna get here. Bam, 20 pips. Let's go, let's get it. More stops to break even. Let's see if he's gonna get here. 20 pips secure. Guys, can you do me a favor? Type W in the charts, please. I want to see you guys type W, 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 W. Just W one time. Just W, guys. 20 pips secured. Move stops to break even. I took partial profit. Let's go. Now let's see if GJ is gonna get to 152.171. Let's see. Okay, I'll tell you to go down. Come on, GJ. You know you're my baby. Come on, go down. Keep going down. You know I love you. Yeah, GJ is my baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, GJ. I don't need to trade anything else. Today, 1 to 2 trades is all it takes, guys. Come on, GJ. I know you give me 20 pips already, but I still need more. Do not touch my break-even stop loss, GJ. You can do it. Just like EJ did for me yesterday, I need you to do the same, baby. we got we got 9 excuse me guys, we got 9 minutes until this candle closes here. So I'm going to update this here. So we have 5 wins for the month of March so far. 335 plus 20 pips was that 355. Yep, now we are 83% for the month so far. All right. If I get more pips here, I'm gonna update. I'm gonna update the total pips we've had so far. I bet gold is still flying, just for the fun of it, just to see. See. Yeah. Now, when a candle opens without a wick, I don't like getting in that trade. I don't like it. I don't get it in a trade like this with no wick. I need to see a wick when the candle opens. So the fact that this candle does not have a opening wick, it could flip bearish. Even though it opened bullish, it could still flip bearish, and we have a wick at the top. And it could stay bullish. It depends. But for me, I don't like to get in trades without without no opening wick. This is what I like to tell people. Like when you spend more time on the charts, studying the charts, you start seeing candlestick pattern. You get used to some candlestick pattern that's really going to benefit you. Remember when we got in this GBP JPY sell, I said I'm waiting to see a wick at the top. I want the candle to open with a wick at the top, and the fact that saw that this bearish candle closed right at the wick rejection of this candle, the previous bearish candle, I'm like, I'm waiting for the next candle to flip bearish because it opened up bullish with no wick. I'm like, if it flips bearish, we'll have a wick at the top, and if it crosses this previous low here that it created, I'm taking the sell. And that was exactly what we did. Now, how did I know that? Because I've been doing this for a while, and I know exactly what I'm looking for, because I've spent more time on the charts, studied the charts. I understood the candlestick pattern that I'm looking for. So I took the sell. Come on, GJ. You gave me 20 pips already. Let's see if you can give me another 10 pips. So right now, he's at 22 pips. See if we can get that 32 pips. Come on, GJ. If you gave me 32 pips, I'm trilling this thing. I'm trying to ride you to the moon fall off. Come on. I got like 10 bands running. Already close some profit. I know you guys can see it. Got like 10 bands running. I got in it 3 times. Started with 50 lot size on each. That's $500 per pip. And I took partial profits, and I have 20 standard lot size running on each, which is $200 per pip on each. Let's go, GJ. Stop loss move to break even. Come on, GJ, let's go, let's go, let's go. Get to these 30 pips. How many of you is still in GJ? How many of you is still in GJ? I'm sure you guys secured your profit. So how many of you is still in GJ? When you secure your profits, don't just leave it running. Take some profits. Take at least 50%. I usually take more than 50. I take at least 60 to 80%. And I'll just leave 30 to 20% running. I always like to take more than half of my profit. Type yes in the chat, guys, if you're still in GJ. Come on, GJ. Is that like 26 pips right now? Come on, GJ. I swear, man, if this thing breaks this, if it breaks below 152, 167, man, I'm just gonna keep trailing my stop loss. Now I'm actually gonna move. Before I do that, let me go to the 5 minutes. Oh man, come on, GJ, don't do it. Oh. Man, imagine getting on this sale right here. You would have made you. Damn, 106 pips. 106. Man, if we had got in here, we wouldn't be stopped out at all. We would have been trailing our stop loss. We'll be at 100 pips right now. Come on, GJ, flip bearish. There you go, baby. Flip bearish. Flip, flip. Give me that flip. Let's go. Give me that flip, baby. Let's go, GJ. Give me that flip. Come on, baby. You know I love you. Aside from my woman, I love my woman too. But you know I love you, GJ. Come on, GJ. Let's go. Yes, Mr. Grind Time. Let's go, GJ. Flip. Give me 30. Give me that 30 pips. Give me 10 pips more. If he gives me 30 pips, man, I'm taking another partial. Give me that 30 pips, baby. Give me that 30 pips, baby. Man, I should have been recording this. I don't know what, man, I don't know what I be doing sometimes. The whole entire live stream I've done this week, I didn't even record a single one of them. Well, but I can always download it on YouTube though. Come on, GJ. Let's go, GJ. Come on. You have to give me these 30 pips and close below this support. Right now is at what? It actually already gave 30, but I needed to close below the support here. It gave 30 already. GJ gave 30 pips already. If you're still on GJ, now you made you 30 pips. Come on, GJ, just keep dropping, baby. Let's go, GJ. Keep smashing that like button for me, guys. Keep smashing that like button. And remember, guys, I do this live stream every day now. I just started, this week. Uh, and I'm going to be doing this every single day. New York session for now. Every single day. So you're gonna see me trading GJ pairs a lot. I mean, JPY pairs a lot on my live stream, especially GBP JPY and Euro JPY. You're gonna see me doing that a lot. And if we don't see good setups on those two pairs, then we also have GBP USD, and then we have gold as well. So come on, GJ, give me that close. Give me that close below support. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on, GJ. If this candle closes bearish, man, I'm gonna look at the 5. Then I'm gonna move my stops. I'll just move my stops somewhere. I actually don't see where I can move my stops right now. But I'm gonna still move my stops though. So I gotta move my stops somewhere here. So even if I get stopped out, I'll still make something. I'm taking another taking another purchase here. Now I'm going to take 50% of my profit. So I'll be left with 10 standard lot size. So I still have about 9,000 floating, almost 10K still floating, even though I took another partials right here at 30 pips. So let's keep going, guys. I hope you guys can see it. I don't know. Let's keep going. Let's get it. And I use MT5, MetaTrader 5. I don't use MT4. $20 bands for the day. Let's go. I need more. Come on, GJ. I'm not being greedy when I said I need more. I mean, this is not greediness here, though. This is just trailing the trend, you know, to the moon. Come on. Break below support. Break and close below support. Let's go, GJ. DeAndre, if you're still here, are you guys still in the cell? Did you guys take the cell? I don't know if he's still here, if you're still watching. Let's go, GJ. Can GJ get here? 76 pips. Let's see. Let's go, GJ. 76 pips. Can you do it? Do it for me, baby. Do it for me, baby. 50 pips already made, but let's keep going. 50 pips already made, so let's keep going, GJ. Give me another. Give me another 25 pips at least, or even 20 pips. Give me another 20, GJ. I'll be back, guys. I need some water. Oh, you are King Zo. How you are King Zo House, DeAndre? Oh, I didn't know that. Nice. Is John there? Is John still there too, or is just you and King Zo? Come on, GJ. Give me another 25 pips. As long as price closes below this previous support here, um, this previous support here, we should see price. Price should actually continue coming down. Nice. Tell John I said hi. I said hi. I'm supposed I'm supposed to be in ATL also this month, but I don't know what my girl is doing, so I don't know. I don't even know if we're still coming to ATL, but I'm gonna update Zoe if we're still coming. Come on, GJ, give me another flip. I know you opened up bullish with a wick at the bottom, but flip, give me another flip. Give me another flip. Ah, you said it was good. I wasn't even looking to trade GG at all today. I was actually looking to trade gold. Thought we was gonna have that crazy spike and gold because of NFP, but we didn't. What did I tell you guys? Look at gold. Look at that. This was the previous bearish candle. I said I was not going to get in because it had no wick at the bottom. And now look, that same candle closed bearish, and this previous candle was actually a sell too. Then it closed bullish. Now this candle opened bearish. There's a wick at the top. It could still flip bullish though because price already broke the previous resistance, which was over here. Now, if anybody is looking to get in gold for a buy, your entry will be right here. After price, if price closes above this, Because if you look here on the higher time frame, we have a rejection here. 4 hour price is still below that zone, but on the lower time frame here, 15 for example, if price should close above this, then we should see a bullish continuation. I'm sure gold took a lot of people out already. Gold definitely took a lot of people out here. This week here, this week took a lot of people out. This week took a lot of people out on gold. Yeah. Come on, GJ, flip bearish. Flip bearish, baby. Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna pull up if we come to ATL. Shit, I'm definitely gonna pull up. You ain't gotta tell me twice. Shit, and we're gonna trade. Come on, GJ, you can do it. So before this bullish candle, GJ already gave us 50 pips right here. See if GJ can give us 20 more pips. But if you're still in GJ, now you can actually move your stop, just above, below entry. You can move your stop to like 152.46. So I took another partials when we got to 30 pips. I took another partials. So I'm about to move my stops below entry. So even if price comes back, I'll still make some money. Instead of just breaking even, I'll still make some money. You understand what I mean? Come on, flip bearish. Flip bearish. Actually, I'm gonna move my stop right here. So I'm moving my stop loss to 152.388. Moving my stops right there. I didn't mean to freaking close it. Damn. Okay. Damn, I mistakenly closed one of my positions, but I still have two of them running, so I'm still in it. So when I end this stream, we're gonna start this again. We're gonna do this again next week. Another live stream on Monday, New York session, 7 a.m. Central Standard Time. That's 8 a.m. Eastern and 5 a.m. Pacific. We're still in a downturn here. We just have a little range going on right now. Price might be trying to, now we have a break below the previous support. Now we could see a retest. We could have something like this. We have the break here. Now we could see something like this happening. Something like this. And then price will just continue coming down. We could have something like this now. So let's see. This is the 5 minute time frame here. So we'll see. We're back on the 15 minute time frame now. Let me see here. GJ could actually get over here. Could get here or here. But because today is Friday, I don't know what's gonna happen, where it's gonna close that. But those are the, you know, potential destination for gold. I mean GJ. This candle closes in 1 minute. This candle is about to close. Come on, GJ. Drop for me. Drop for me. Drop for me, GJ. Let's go, GJ. Come on. All we're simply doing with this GJ trade is what we call living a runner. We're just living a runner. You start by catching small move, which is at least 20 pips, and then you take some partial profits and you then leave your runner. You move your stops to break even and leave your runner. If price reverses and stops you out, you still made you 20 pips. It's called trading smart. You gotta trade smart. This is your first time in my live stream. Welcome. Thank you for joining. We do this every day. We just started this month. And this week has been amazing. We only had one loss. Hmm. Drop for me, baby. Come on, GJ. Drop, 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 drop. gonna be uploading a new content tomorrow. I'm actually gonna work on recording the video today, and I'll have it uploaded tomorrow. So be on the lookout for that video, guys. So it's gonna be another video that you guys can watch that's gonna actually help you on your trading journey. And my next video after that is gonna be about the difference between support and resistance, the difference between support and resistance and supply and demand. What the setup looks like, and how you can actually get in those trade in using the supply and demand or support and resistance. Both of them are still price action. You're welcome, God's will. Let's go, GJ. Let's take a look at gold just for the fun of it. See what it's doing now. Yep. Now it's continuing its bullish continuation. Actually, when I trade gold, I like to have closure using the higher time frame, like the 1 hour time frame. I have a break above. Now this been a good entry right over here, because now this is what we call a flip, a bullish flip entry. That's what happened here. Price was bearish, and then we have a flip. Took a lot of traders out. Took a lot of traders out on this gold. This is a nice entry here because we have a flip here, and we have price above the previous resistance. So we should see price, continuing bullish now for gold. Yeah. Let me take a look at NAS. Damn, I don't like how NAS 100 looks right here. Yeah, for NAS to get in a sell, if this thing is gonna drop, you have to get in. Well, if price closes below 1378, 1378. Well, let's go to the 5. Yeah, demand setup. If this candle closes bearish, then we could see it. The next candle could also be bullish as well. If it is bullish, we get in a buy, and TP will be right here to the next resistance zone. Will be a supply for 1,000 plus pips at least. Price gave a fake out. Support was here. Support was here to the left. Resistance here. Then we had a fake out over here. But what price simply did was reject this low. So once you see this, because we have this low here to the left hand side, and you saw this rejection, you could have had your sell entry right here. When did this happen? This candle was at, yeah, London session. You could have had a sell entry right here during London, because this became a supply zone. So you got from your supply, you have had your take profit here. And I'm sure some people called this setup, this trade here. You'll be looking, this was about 1600 pips, 1600 pips. I'm sure somebody caught this move. This sell was a beautiful sell, beautiful sell. Support, resistance, turn supply. Take a sell entry at this next bearish candle. You just ride into the next support zone all the way, and you just keep moving your stops. So price could still break support here. Looking at NAS. Oh yeah, GJ, come on, GJ. Let's go, GJ. Let's get it. Oh, you out, Caleb? Oh yeah, for the sale, right? Yeah, that was it. That was a good setup right there, and it happened during London session. That was a beautiful setup. If I saw that, I would have got in myself. It was beautiful. So my strategy with NAS 100 is actually not support and resistance. It's supply and demand, and I would have cut that sell because that was a supply. That was a supply zone. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And actually, let me go back to NAS 100 real quick. Let me give you guys some free game while we're on this stream. Now, we're still in a sell. The reason why I say we're still in a sell is because from this supply zone to here, to this zone here at 137.91, we're still in a sell, but price is now trying to break this. If it breaks and close below this, now it becomes, we have a support setup. You understand what I mean, guys? Now we have a support setup. But if it breaks below it, I'm not getting in. I want to see this. I want to see a support now turned supply zone. So I want to see this break. Bam. I wait for a rejection. If I see the rejection, bam, wait for that candle to close, then I get in on the next candle for another sell. That's the kind of setup I'll be looking at here. So I'm going to wait for price to break below, retest, then I get in for a sell. That's what I'll be looking at. But because except now, if we had, let me go to the 1 hour time, let me go to the higher time frame. Okay, now here, good thing I'm here on the higher time frame. Now here, now price is still going to push down more because we have this week here. Price is still going to push down more. Price should push down more here on the 1 hour time frame. And actually, I'm looking for a rejection. I'm not looking for a break. I'm looking for a rejection here to give me another demand zone here. Here, looking at NAS 100, and I'll take a buy, and I'll just simply ride it back to the supply zone here, to the resistance zone here. That's what I'm gonna do. Even though it's a range, But what I'm simply doing is taking a buy and riding it back to the resistance zone, and I'll keep moving my stop loss as as the price keeps going in my direction. We're actually in a range, but in order for me to take a buy, I need to see a rejection. But if it breaks through, that's definitely not a demand. Then I'll be looking for something else. Especially if it should break and close below this week here, then oh yeah, then your setup has to change. But if it rejects in here, if it rejects before it gets to this middle this box here, it's still a valid demand. So those are the two kind of setups I'll be looking for if I'm going to take a NAS 100 position. Okay, Caleb. Oh yeah, come on, GJ. Yeah, I checked GBP USD as well. I just didn't get in. I just didn't get in. Ooh, GJ, come on. Give me that. Give me that 76 pips, baby. Come on, GJ. I'm sure GBP USD is dropping as well. Yeah. Yeah, GBP USD is dropping. But GJ is just better. GJ moves better than GBP USD. I would have gotten at this candle here. Yeah, we'll still be in this trade. Without even now we would just have 20 pips if we took GBP USD. So now it's just dropping. Now it closed below this below the low it created here, so it's gonna keep dropping for GBP USD. If I see a better setup with GBP JPY, I'm gonna take GBP JPY before I take GBP USD. GBP JPY moves way better than GBP USD. If you've been doing this for a while, you know. 76 pips smash, baby. Now, GJ. Now, can you give me? I mean, you should be giving me. Give me 80 pips, GJ. Give me 80 pips, GJ. Now, I'm gonna move my stops right at this week, right here, right there. I'm moving my stops to 152, 124. 152, 124. That's my new stop loss. 152, 124, my new stop loss. Now I'm going to take half, another half, partial profit, taking 50%. Let's go, GJ. Oh yeah, I don't like US 30. I'm not a fan of US 30. Even though you can make more money with USD than with NAS 100, but NAS 100 is still very, very, very volatile. One candle alone, just one candle alone with NAS could potentially give you 1,000 points or 1,000 pips, whatever you want to call it, depending on how big it is. Give us 80 pips, then 100. Come on, GJ, let's go, let's go. Come on, GJ. Give me that 80 piece, baby. Man, JPY is strong as hell. Just look at this freaking drop from here. It's been dropping since freaking yesterday. Damn, 230 pips. Yeah, Caleb. Come on, GJ. Oh man, don't give me that rejection. Let me look at the daily. Okay, guy, we could be out of this trade. Yeah, we could be out of this trade. But looking at it daily, if this was uh if this was earlier in the week, I'm actually really gonna anticipate that gold should. I mean, why do I keep saying gold when I'm looking at GBP? But that's funny as hell. Because that was what's on my mind since yesterday, that I'm gonna trade gold today. That's why. Um, I'm really looking here at the daily. That price should get here, but I don't know if we're gonna see that because today is Friday. Because if you look at this, just look at this. Nothing but clean candles here. And look at what price has been doing. Price has just been breaking every single one of them. So I'm really anticipating it's gonna get to 151, 142. But at the same time, we actually still have time. We actually still have time. Who knows? See, you can even get over here. Who knows? Just looking at the daily. But we'll see. I'm still in this though. I'm still in it. I'm riding this. I'm riding this all the way, all the freaking way, all the way. Stop loss has been moved. In profit. I'm in profit. Whatever happens, made money. So that's my anticipation, guys. Where I think GBP will get to, just looking at the daily time frame. But at the same time, I don't think that's gonna happen today. Could happen next week though. Alright, I'll be back, guys. And I need to go to the restroom. So guys, uh, what's looking like a swing trade? Are you talking about GBP JPY? Yeah, probably. Um, so I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if GBP JPY breaks this support here below 151.66. But just keep trailing your stops. Just keep trailing your stops if you're still in GBP JPY, or if you're comfortable with what you've made so far, you can just get out of the trade completely and call it a day. Regardless, you still made money. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get off this live stream because I have a one-on-one mentorship section in the next hour, in an hour. So guys, thank you guys for hopping on. Thank you guys for subscribing. For subscribing to my channel. And if you guys want access to my trading community, the Discord link is down below in the description. So guys, I'm gonna be ending this live stream, and I will see you guys on Monday. We'll do this again on Monday, same time, 7 a.m. CST, New York session. I'll see you guys on